a scholarship in UK. So stay tuned and let us watch it together. Now, first of all, just search worldwidestudies.info in your Chrome or Google search. Enter worldwidestudies.info like this. Okay, you search it, then it will direct you to worldwidestudies.info website. So guys, this is worldwidestudies.info website, whereby you can find all the necessary information about scholarships and opportunities like jobs, conferences, fellowships, and exchange programs. We also have internships. If you want to do internship in Canada, Singapore, Malaysia, UK, US, any country that you want to do your internship, just come to internships, click on internship. You'll find all the content for internships. So if you click like this, it will direct you to internship. So all the content here are for internship. You can see it's an internship, fully funded arena internship program, Canada's 2025. You see all these programs are for internship. So here is the best website for you to get any information that you want. And also guys, don't forget that I'm very open to everyone. If you are doing your application and you don't understand anything or you need my assistance, don't be hesitate to ask. Just text me personal and you'll get me. Okay, yeah, you can also join our platforms like Telegram, Facebook, YouTube. Also you can subscribe to our YouTube channel for update always, and also our WhatsApp. Okay, so now I want to show you how to join our WhatsApp platform before I proceed. So if you come here, you can see this YouTube. You click here, it will direct you to our YouTube channel. This is WhatsApp, this is Facebook, and this is Telegram. Okay, yeah, so please don't forget to click on this to join or to subscribe. You come here to, you can just click here directly to send you to the YouTube channel. Then please subscribe, okay, so that we get the energy to update you for the updated scholarships. Okay, so without much ado, let me move straight to the scholarship opportunity that I want to explain today, and let us stay calm and listen to this video well, and please don't forget to share it with your friends. Okay, so in today's video I would like to explain one scholarship in UK. Let me go to bachelor's degree. And guys, always remember that you can go to bachelor's degree, that the same school can provide opportunities for bachelor's, master's, and PhD in one school. Okay, so you have to take note. So though we arrange it in a such a way that if you are looking for bachelor's degree, you just click bachelor's degree. Okay, you just click bachelor's degree. Okay, yeah, just click bachelor's degree. That's how we arrange it in that way. Okay, so let's do like this. You see, we have bachelor's degree Indonesia, United Kingdoms. So I want to explain this scholarship today. Okay, yeah, because I want to focus on UK. So let's go without much ado. Okay, like this. Okay, so this scholarship is called United Kingdom's Swansea University. Okay, so let's look at the criteria, eligibility, and also the benefit of Swansea University scholarship. Okay, so what we have here is a United Kingdom Swansea University Centenary Scholarship 2025. Okay, so here, to get, if you come to the website or if you visit the website like this, the main thing that you have to focus is the country, the eligibility criteria, the benefits, and how to apply. Okay, that's the most important thing. So just come straight to this place. We have Swansea University International Scholarship. So the country obviously is UK, and the degree level is for undergraduate and also graduate. Okay, so it's for both undergraduate and also graduate. Okay, so and the nationality, all nationalities are eligible to apply, no matter, irrespective of your background, irrespective of your country, you are eligible to apply. Okay, wherever you are from, so just apply, you qualify. Okay, yeah. And also the duration depending upon choosing a course, so it depends on the course that you choose. Okay, so the course that you choose will also tell you the deadline, okay, or the duration. Okay, so now let us move straight to the eligibility criteria. Okay, so the eligibility conditions for the award are as follows. So the first one is applications are accepted for international students from all over the world. So I've explained that one earlier. Okay, so irrespective of your background or your country, you are eligible to apply. And the next one is applicants must also have a university degree. So this one is for those who are applying for the graduate, or equivalent with at least 2:1. Okay, so you must have a degree, university degree, or at least equivalent to 2:1. Okay, and the second is applicant must have accepted an offer to study at the Swansea University MBA course. So first of all, you have to apply for the admission. So you have to go to you have to apply for the admission. After you get the admission, before you can apply for this scholarship. So this scholarship, without admission, you cannot apply for it. And mostly to apply for a scholarship, of course, you have to have your admission letter. Okay, though there are some universities that gives, or the admission comes with the scholarship. Okay, the admission comes with the scholarship. That one is different, but this one you must get admission, then you apply for the scholarship. Okay, so today I'm talking about the scholarship. Okay, so and the next one says must verify and meet the academic enrollment requirement for the chosen program. Okay, so I hope you understand. And then let us look at the scholarship types. So these are the scholarship opportunities that they have. You have international excellence scholarships, pharmacy scholarship. I will not be able to mention also. These are the scholarships, you know them. And this one, international excellence scholarship, like you see, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so these are different. Okay, let us look at the funding here. The fund, they said this 20,000 euros. 20,000 euros scholarship will be used for tuition fees for MBA scholarship only. So MBA means Masters of Business, okay, Administration. So like if you are so if you qualify for this one, you get 20,000 euros to be paid for your tuition fees. Okay, and there are also other scholarships available at this university. So there are many other scholarships, as I mentioned earlier. Okay, yeah, so that is that. So it's the most important thing is just to meet the criteria. Okay, good. Apply for the admission and then you can proceed. Okay, now how to apply? How do you apply for this scholarship? So first, you have to say to apply, create one of the following items to respond. Tell us how MBA study would add value for you and the communities you are part of, and send it to. So you are going to send this video to this email. Okay, so you have to create 4 to 5 minutes video or 4 to 5 minutes podcast and 1,500 word journal entry, docs, PDF or PPT. So but guys, I will advise you to use PDF. Okay, yeah, use PDF. Okay, then in your application you can include points about the following. So that's what, you know, when you're doing this application, guys, please, you have to have time for yourself. You have to have mindset free, feel okay, then you can go it step by step, step by step. It really requires time. Okay, so this is how you read. Say here, why did you enroll to study for an MBA in Swansea? So Swansea, why? Of course, why? What inspired you to apply? Okay, good. So it must include these three things. And what are the main values you bring to leadership? So in terms of leadership, what are the values you bring? Okay, and how do you plan to impact your organization, sector, and or community after completing the MBA? So after completing the MBA, how do you plan to impact your community that you are coming from? How do you plan? What are your plans? This scholarship, they want to know how creative, how innovative you are. Okay, what kind of human being are you, so that they will have the trust in you to provide you or to give you this scholarship. Okay, because it's a very good scholarship. You will consider application based on, so they even give you what they will consider based on. So understand how the program can impact you. So if they know that how you write your personal statement or your essay is really understandable, and how the program is going to impact your life, that's why they will also consider. Okay, reflecting the values of the program. What are the values, the core values or the key values? Challenging normal business prospects. Okay, now let's move straight to the apply link like this. Okay, so people always ask me about apply link. If you just scroll to the down, you see apply link, you click like this. Okay, so now international scholarship. So this is the university. Okay, Swansea University. Okay, so now what are you looking for? Are you undergraduate or postgraduate? So now international undergraduate scholarships, international postgraduate scholarship. So what category are you? So if you are for undergraduate, you take this one. If you are for postgraduate, then you take this one. So let's take undergraduate. Okay, for instance, so it directs you to this place. Okay, so just take your time, read the steps. Okay, read the steps. This is how it works. Read the steps, understand the content of the application. Okay, that's how it works. So now we are international. We have, so look at here. They said if you are an EU student that would be eligible for international fee status, please refer to the international scholarship page. So this one for international blah, blah, blah. So now let's move here. We have international excellence scholarship Africa, international excellence scholarships South Asia, international excellence scholarships rest of the world, and then you have international excellence scholarships China only, music scholarship, sports scholarships, elite international scholarship. So you choose any of this one. So for example, if you choose China only, if you are from China, you can just, you see the deadline is September 2024. Okay, applications are open now, you see here. So that is it, applications are open now. So we have the deadline is 30th August and today is 26th. So the deadline is 20th August 2024, 12 p.m. Okay, so you have to consider the time. So you still have 4 days to go. Okay, so up to 6,000 euros. This one is 4,000 awarded in year 1 and 2,000 awarded in year 2, subject to achieving. Okay, so this is how it is. So it's easy, just follow the steps like this, then you apply. Okay, it's like this. Okay, so now yeah, the China, if you're international excellence form China September. So now if you finish, you can use this link to fill it, or use this link. So that's when to apply. You just fill your informations there. Okay, let me use the online. The one I downloaded was PDF here. You can see it came here. Okay, so let's look at the online one. Okay, so this is the online one. You see here. So Swansea University International Excellence Scholarship Academic Year 2024-2025, undergraduate September entry, rest of the world. You see, so this is how it is. So just take your time, follow the steps one by one, like you'll be able to apply. It's not difficult. Okay, so you see my email has been already worldwidestudies2@gmail.com. okay, so now you just follow the steps, you fill this form, then your scholarship will just pray, then your scholarship will be approved. Okay, so the rest you just follow here to fill the information. For it's up to 5-7 pages, so you fill the information, you submit it, and that's all. Okay, so this is the end of the video, and see you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also you can join the WhatsApp or the Facebook, and also the Telegram for regular updates in our platform. So thank you so much, and see you again in the next video. This episode 3. See you in episode 4 for another scholarship opportunity. You can drop your comments in the comment section for the YouTube, and then I will use that comment to do a video, or I'll reply you, inshallah. Thank you.
Siku. Yeah.